Good evening. I'm Nancy Cox.
And I'm Kevin Christopher. Thanks for joining us at 5:30. They just felt the story didn't add up. Parents who found out nearly 2 years ago their daughter had been killed, run over by a car in which she was a passenger. Now those parents have started their own investigation, and it's prompted a change in the case. Heather Higdon has more in tonight's LEX18 Big Story at 5:30.
28 years old, a mother of two, Jessica Trimmer's final voyage would be down this Laurel County road.
Deputy coroner calling me to tell me that Jessica had just been killed in an automobile incident.
When Jessica passed, I lost not only my oldest daughter, but I lost my very best friend.
That was November 25th, 2005, nearly 2 years ago.
She's constantly with us everywhere. We see signs from her. We think of her. We can't get her out of our head.
The Trimmers say their daughter's life will be honored tonight at a candlelight service, but they say it's the circumstances surrounding her death they want to speak about.
We do believe that something happened that night. I don't know exactly what.
Taking their own cameras back to the scene to recreate what happened. The story from Jessica's boyfriend that the two had gotten into a fight and she jumped out. But the Trimmers don't buy it.
We suspect some kind of foul play, some kind of intentional act that it should be seen as criminal in nature.
Reaching out to the Kentucky Attorney General for help, sharing evidence with state police. Investigators even instructing the coroner to change Jessica's death certificate, altering her cause of death from an accident to could not be determined, amending her injury from jumped out of a moving vehicle to was run over by a moving vehicle.
We're just trying to find the truth, to try and find some kind of understanding of why is Jessica not here anymore.
Covering the news, Heather Higdon, LEX18.
At this point, Jessica's boyfriend has not been charged in the case. Their two children continue to live with him, but the Trimmers have won visitation rights in court. School officials in eastern Kentucky are investigating after a 5-year-old kindergartner was left on a school bus. The story takes us to Carter County, where there are reports the child was left on the bus for more than 2 hours this morning after the rest of the kids have been dropped off. The child's mother told WSAZ-TV her daughter fell asleep. The mother said her daughter was scared, but she's okay. She took her to school today, though, so she could be with her friends.
A high-speed chase ends with a crash and an arrest in Scott County. Police say a deputy tried